What you doing? Hmm? You got a big beak and long eyelashes. Yes, you do. Yeah. Uh-huh. What's he doing? Are you planning on trying to take my phone away from me? Look, Mama. He's trying to get my bag. You want some more birdie head rubs? Here. It's videoing already.
Well, I can't see a thing because of the sunlight.
Call your heart.
Thank you, sweetheart. I'll always find you.
If you don't, you'll never find me.
I'll find you always.
If you don't follow your heart.
You like them birdie head rubs?
If you don't follow your heart, well, you'll never find me. Okay? Good. Now, show me your thing.
Are you a pretty bird? Huh? You a pretty bird? Yeah. You a pretty bird. Look how pretty you are. He likes birdie head rubs. Don't you? If some more people are coming here, over here, maybe they'll rub you too. Alright. I'll see ya.